around to the next corner and then maybe turn around there back.
Okay.
This is, yeah, you see the flood silt on the leaves on the right.
Oh yeah.
It's been up, oh, what's that, half a metre maybe or so?
Yeah, during that rain, I guess. I wonder if the 7 sort of pushes up here. Yeah, I wonder if the 7, because it didn't look like it was flowing out, and it's not flowing at all. So maybe the 7 creates this.
Yeah.
It's a flow off the 7.
Yes, it's a bit slow.
Wow, yeah, this is. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. This is something because you've got the reflection, like you say, in the still water.
The reflection's incredible, isn't it? It's beautiful.
Yeah, there's one just on our right.
Hey?
There's one on our right. We're heading towards. We're going over it now.
Some geese there, I think.
Oh, Canadian geese, yeah.
Definitely slower paddling.
Yeah, that's for
Over
sure.
7,
But it's
isn't it?
really tranquil and peaceful and calm and still.
Oh, look at the young over there. It's lit and
Mate, if we could just go past there and maybe we turn it there so I can get a shot of them.
sweet.
Oh, this is oh, there's a lot of them.
Bless. They've got a way off flying, haven't they? Does it take pictures all the time?
Oh, it's on video now. I hope it is anyway. It's flashing, so yeah. Might just go a little tiny bit closer.
Bit closer.
Just a little. And turn slowly maybe. Yeah, that's probably far enough. So I like trying to do this one sometimes. It's the Indian knife edge.
Okay.
So they don't take the paddle out the water because of the noise, because they're coming into like attack. But they could do it so it's completely silent.
Yeah.
But you turn the paddle so it glides and then come back again. But I can't do it quietly.
It's harder work, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even though the river seems still, we're definitely getting faster on the lake.
Just feel that. Oh mate, I might take a quick piss at this beachy bit. Just gonna step up.
Do you get off?
Yeah, just take a quick piss. Nice.
It's going to be worth researching how far up the Salwarpe we could perhaps paddle.
Yeah, yeah. This is nice, isn't it?
But then the 15th is the cut-off, isn't it? It'll be full of fishermen, won't it? Then it's a narrow one for fishing.
But don't matter, mate. We'll just have to go around a bit. We'll be alright.
Well, if the Salwarpe starts up in, I don't know, or you can get on it up in Droitwich or something, that'd be cool.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do a rip down it.
Is he still?
Sorry, it fell over, mate. Yeah,
Is he still filming?